Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Upper St. Andrew neighborhood, or Upper St. Andrew area, as persons like to refer to it. We are on Shortwood Road, heading out towards the Shortwood Teachers College. On the left is the Cherry Gardens area, they call it the Musical Avenues, and on the right is the Shortwood Teachers College. Now they call the area on the left Musical Avenues because all the roads are named after musical, like you have, that was just Harmony Close, they're named after musicians or something to do with music. We have videos up actually driving through those neighborhoods so you can take a look. Alright, so we are still on Shortwood Road. Shortwood Road actually starts where we started the video. So if we turn left where that car is coming out, we're going to Ilsham. On the left here is Stella Maris Church. And on the right is gated communities, residential areas. So at this left here now, that's the Stella Maris Convent. So you have the church, then you have the Stella Maris Church, then you have the Stella Maris School, and then you have the Stella Maris Convent. Okay, so if we turn right here, we go into the Allardyce area. If we turn left here, we go into the Arcadia area. There are a lot of neighborhoods or communities off Shortwood Road. And Shortwood Road takes us all the way down to Constant Spring Road. We now, on the left is the Shortwood Primary School, and then beside it is the Shortwood United Church. So we're now coming towards the more commercial parts of Shortwood Road. On the left is Shortwood Lane, and that takes us into the Grand Spen area. On the left is the Shortwood, I'm not sure what the exact name is, but it's a commercial center. And on the left here now you have some commercial buildings. On the right is a gas station, a hardware store, a garage. It's 10:30 in the morning. I'm not sure why there's so much traffic at this stoplight, but the stoplight ahead is the intersection with Grand Spen Road, Shortwood Road and Grand Spen Road. You turn left, you head into Grand Spen and head towards Barbican. Turn right, you go into Grand Spen, but you head towards Constant Spring Road. And if you go straight, you stay on Shortwood Road and head towards Constant Spring Road as well. And if you turn right onto Grand Spen Road, that takes you up to the gully, and you drive through the gully. Alright, so this is the intersection we were talking about. Turn left, you take Grandspan Road to Barbican. Turn right, you take Grandspan Road through the up to Constant Spring Road, and you go through the gully. But we went straight and stayed on Shortwood Road. So if we go straight, we take Shortwood Road to Constant Spring Road. Turn left here, we go on to Upper Waterloo Road. So we're now on Upper Waterloo Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.